bit of a sizzle. All you have to do. You're watching Cooking with Jen. I'm Jen. Be fine.
Cereals into one large bag.
As we're going to be baking, because we've got a sweet treat.
I got it on my chin.
Merry Christmas, everyone. You can say Merry Christmas.
Oh.
Are you going to say it?
Oh.
So I'll see ya. So remember, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy meal you can make throughout the week that I guarantee you can't beat. And what I'm going to...
A quick little intermission. I really want you guys to subscribe to this channel. If you
Did you fart? Oh.
Hello.
And she is joined here